哦 ，OK， 我的车，来装起来。Let's go.
Impala.
Impala.
Doing two things. Firstly, he's telling other males, stay away. This is my area. Secondly, he's advertising to the girls, oh, look what nice oranges I have for you, to attract the females. So it's a gnu. It's enough to get a good photo. That's an impala. There, all the impala go.
Wow.
Big herd. Big herd. Gnu. Why are they red? Look at the. They'll go back to Taiwan and say, we saw the golden gnu.
It's the wrong way.
Oh, you're ready.
Yeah.
So actually, they will eat the males if he approaches.
盐块放在这边，让动物来舔。哦，遇到沙地，要下来用牵的。
So what you do in the winter, they hibernate.
那边在那边。
You can see a lot of the other antelopes going to run away. When it wakes up, there's going to be stress. If they get what is called white muscle disease, it's a paralysis.
对面那边
Continuously
就是我们住的地方。
paralyzed and they actually, it's just they don't actually feel.